How are you, boys and girls? Hope you're doing well. I'm gonna teach you science for this year. Let's get started. First, I want to ask you if you love playing outside and enjoy watching TV and playing games. To do all these activities, you need one thing: energy. What's the meaning of energy? Energy is another word for power or work. It's how things change or move. It's everywhere around us. We need energy to jump in the air, to drive to school, or even to cook food. So, the definition of energy, it is the ability to do work or to make a change. Again, what is the definition of energy? It is the ability to do work or to make a change. There are different types or different forms of energy: sound energy, light energy, magnetic energy. Today, we are gonna study light energy. Light is one of the forms of energy. Imagine you are in a dark room, or you can close your eyes. You won't be able to see anything. Your eyes need light to see. Light helps us to see all things around us. So, light causes vision. There is a type of light that human eyes can see. This type is called visible spectrum. So, what's the meaning of visible spectrum? It is a light energy that can be seen. Again, what is the meaning of visible spectrum? It is a light energy that can be seen. We have two things to know about light: sources of light, where it comes from, and properties of light. First, we're gonna talk about the sources of light. There are two sources of light: natural source and artificial source. What's the meaning of natural source? It means it's already exists in nature, made by God and not made by human, like the sun. The sun is the main source of light on earth. Again, the sun is the main source of light on earth. Is there any other natural source of light? Yes, there is the stars. I can hear someone says, what about the moon? When we look to the sky at night, we can see the moon is shining, or we can see there is light coming out from the moon. As we know, or as we studied in Junior 4, that this light is not coming from the moon itself. It's the light of the sun, which reaches the moon. How could this happen? You can try it at home. You will need mirror, flashlight, and ball. The mirror represents the moon, the ball represents the earth, and the flashlight represents the sun. I used in this experiment laser instead of flashlight to be seen clearly, and put all these things as in the video and darken the room. What can you see? The mirror is shining and the light gets reflected on the pole. This is what happened. The moon reflects the sunlight, and what we see at night is the reflection of the sunlight. So, when I ask you why or give reason, the moon is not considered as a source of light, or the moon seems luminous. Luminous means shining in the dark or giving out light. Because the moonlight is the reflection of the sunlight that falls on its surface. What about the second source of light? artificial source. Artificial means it's made by human. It also called man-made, as lighted electric lamp, lighted candles, kerosene lamp. Let's practice together. Number 1. Choose or put true or false. The moon seems luminous because it reflects the sunlight. True. Number 2. Mention the scientific term. The light energy that can be seen. This is the definition of visible spectrum. Thank you for listening and see you in next video with a new lesson.